Bam. What's up, guys? We'll give everybody a few seconds. We'll let this stream get all fired up, and then we're going to be taking a look at a bunch of different things. We'll recap the market. Let's see if this stream's up and running right now. Okay. There we go. Perfect. How's everybody doing today? Alkaline water. What's up, Ryan? Just give you guys a couple seconds to join my stream. How's alkaline water doing today? Not too much. Just decided to go live for probably half an hour to an hour, as we do have some new news and stuff. 1 second. I'll be reading that Aphria article in about a couple minutes. Just let you guys join the room. Let you guys. So what do you guys think about the Aphria deal? It's not a deal, but all right, guys. Hit that like button if you're new to the stream. Thanks for joining. What's up, Doug? Pure crushing it. I know, up 40% in 2 days. That's true. It's sold off like crazy down to 13 cents, but we're seeing Pure run like crazy now, up to 18.5 cents. No new news for ACB, but hopefully that Aphria deal can give them a little bit of a bump. I'm going to read this article real quick for you guys in about 2 minutes. I didn't look into WeedMD. We added it to the watch list. What's up with the dislikes, guys? 4 likes, 3 dislikes. Thanks, guys. Anyways, so we're going to quickly take a look at the cannabis stocks. We'll just recap it. We're seeing a green day again, and then we're going to get into the Aphria article. ACB needs some good news, I know. 4 likes, 4 dislikes. Thanks, guys. Anyways, so we're seeing, here, let's sort them out. Pure Global Cannabis, up 23% again today. Yesterday they ran 20%. We're going to take a look at the charts for that. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. 5 dislikes. That's the most dislikes I've ever gotten in one stream. So Pure Global Cannabis up 23%. Acreage Holdings up 21%. Aphria holding on to some of their gains, up 11.3%. I know, gotta love the haters. But what do you guys think about the whole bid for Aphria? I think it was a huge manipulation in terms of when the stock was shorted, and then Green Growth Brands conveniently comes in and offers to buy the company. I think it was all a big setup. That's just my opinion. Is it possible? Yeah, I mean, but then at the same time, Green Growth Brands could be just trying to take advantage of an opportunity. So anyways, guys, we're seeing T-God finally make a little bit of a run, up 10%. Organigram up 8.9%. WeedMD's up. Liberty Leaf. So we're seeing a pretty green day today. We're seeing Tilray. Tilray has not been doing too much recently, holding around 71. ACB's actually in the red, so it's interesting. Hello, Aaron. It's Kevin from Belgium. What about Aurora? Aurora right now, it's hard to say. Aurora hasn't really been performing. Aurora's basically just been going sideways for the past little while here, bouncing in and around $6 to $7. No updates on Namaste. I believe the company's down again today, down 3.5% to 82 cents. But there's definitely something going on with Pure Global. If you guys take a look, the stock has been bouncing like crazy. We bounced from 12 cents all the way up to 18. Hey man, the link I sent you is for a company that just IPO'd. They're getting ready for a CBD water drink. What's up? What's up, Max? Or Glenn, I guess we could call it. Wow, 9 dislikes, guys. Awesome. There's some serious haters out there. What's up? What's up today, guys? Who's hating? Anyways, let's take a look at, sorry, I got sidetracked there. Let's take a look at that link that I was sent. Scroll back up here. Alkaline Water Company releasing CBD infused beverages. The Alkaline Water Company recently announced it's coming out with a new CBD infused water by the end of the year.
Cleaning floor.
No, that's too loud. Let's pause that. Hopefully you guys can't hear that. What's the track record of the company that's buying Aphria? Green Growth Brands. I got to do more research on the company. But we're going to get into this article real first, and we're going to take a look at the article for Aphria. So Ricky Wright, President and CEO of Alkaline Water Company, Skypes with Yahoo Finance's Miles Udland. All right, so it's a Skype call. I don't know if you guys want to watch this video or not. Weed MD has 600,000 square feet. I don't hate you. I like 10 dislikes, guys. Wow. I feel so special. I feel so disliked today. I'm just kidding. I really don't care. But I mean, I'd appreciate a like more than a dislike. Anyways, guys, let's read this article about Aphria. So you guys have probably read or seen the article. I know Rich is doing a live stream. Shout out to Rich. If you want to collab and go live, let me know. But he's also doing some reporting on this company. Rich always drops the news. But anyways, we're going to read our article too. So Aphria Inc. shares shot up as much as 14% early Friday before giving up some of their initial gains as investors responded to American company's takeover proposal that valued the Ontario-based company at $2.8 billion. So I think it's kind of a joke. $2.8 billion for Aphria. I think they're worth much more than that. Aphria shares were off their early highs at $8.46 after 30 minutes of trading, up 89 cents from $7.57. Ohio-based Xanthic Biopharma, which does business as Green Growth Brands, announced after Thursday's close that its offer valued Xanthic shares at $7 each and Aphria shares at $11 per share. So this is an all-share hostile takeover bid. I don't know what you guys think about that. Aphria responded before markets opened on Friday, saying the actual value of the Xanthic shares is substantially lower than the announced offer price and at current market rates undervalues the Leamington-based cannabis producer. In early trading, Friday Xanthic shares fell 7%, down $4.60. Sorry, to $4.60, down 38 cents at the Canadian Securities Exchange. At the price, its offer of 1.5714 Xanthic shares would value Aphria shares at about $7.23. So I know what Trump's next move is. What is Trump's next move? Vic Newfield, who had been chairman, will remain Aphria's CEO and director on Aphria's board. So he wants to build a wall. Didn't we already know that? I thought we already knew that. I know what's coming next. Cannabis. Is ACB still a strong buy? The chart looks ugly. The chart doesn't look too great for ACB. We still believe in ACB, still like and hold ACB. But, I mean, they're kind of in a lull right now. There's not too much going on with the company. I mean, I feel like it's market dependent. And it's really going to come down to how the market does. And, of course, the upcoming earnings. That's what we're really, really looking forward to. He's in it for term 2. We should push Humpty Dumpty off the wall. The next big move is being indicted. That'd be crazy. Indicted, did you say? Yeah. It's on. He needs more money for the wall. It's on Christmas vacation. Yeah, ACB might be on Christmas vacation. We're going to take a look at this article 54 minutes ago, guys. Wall Street's two-day rally fades on tech oil weakness. U.S. stocks were struggling on Friday to extend their rally to a third straight day, weighed down by a drop in energy and tech shares at the end of a week that has seen the market swing wildly. So the week started off with the worst ever Christmas Eve drop, followed by a 1,000-point surge on the Dow on Wednesday, and then a stunning reversal on Thursday. The trend continued on Friday as three major indexes flirted between gains and losses. The swings, though, were to a lesser degree, the S&P rising as much as 0.7% before dropping 0.6%. So what happens to Namaste? I'm holding big ACB bags. What should I do? We are also holding ACB. It's tough to say right now. It's a hold for me. I feel like if next earnings surprise, things could be good. But it's really hard to say, guys, for ACB. For the cannabis sector, we're seeing a nice green day today. I hope the markets can rally. If the markets do decide to continue to pull back up, going into the new year, then we could see some continued gains. We should see some continued gains for the cannabis sector. So what happened to Namaste? It's tough to say. I don't have any updates on Namaste. I apologize. I don't have any updates on FSD Pharma, although the stock looks great. Why do I feel like no one want to dance with ACB, even if she's a good dancer? He's going to legalize pot to build the wall. Yes, let's do that. Taxing it heavily. Would be nice. I'm down. Nice. I can see the end of the position. Yep. It's right around the corner. Just read there is behind the scenes connection between GGB and Aphria. Hindenburg shorters are reporting. BNN just did a report. Holding ACB till it hits 15, so 3 years probably. We'll see what happens. I can totally see there being a connection with Aphria and Green Growth Brands and the shorts. So there's a couple more things I want to talk about, guys. This stream's going pretty well other than the amount of dislikes and the amount of likes. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, hit that like button, please. Let's get this stream to like 50 likes at least. Anyways, we're going to continue on with things, and I want to talk about oil and gold. What do you guys think about oil and gold and silver? There's no building wall out of hemp. Any info on Juju? I'm waiting on bad news to set ACB stock soaring. It's all good, make stocks drop. I've been buying a lot of PSQI. Okay. Holding for life. We're going to take a look at some commodities, guys. I feel like 2018 is going to be the year for commodities. Gold's up again. Gold is up again. Silver's up again. Oil is up. Tell me about it. All those dislikers are people who didn't know they could lose money in the stock market. Well, you know what, guys? It happens every day. All right. 1 second. Sorry. Just setting things up here. Uh-oh. And then we're going to get into gold, silver, and a bunch of other stuff. Thoughts on hydrogen. I don't invest. Oh. What's up, NTB? You're my biggest supporter. My biggest supporter. I don't know. Do you have any hydrogen picks? I didn't know that. That's an interesting one. Let's talk about it. Drop a link. We'll talk about it. We'll review it. I'm taking a beating, bro. Everybody's taking a beating this year, man. It's nuts. It's going to be a game changer for the markets. Yeah, so no doubt 2018 was a tough year for investing. So anyways, guys, we're going to take a quick look at gold, silver, and oil real quick just to see what's happening. Crude's making a bounce again today up to 45.30, and it's about time. I didn't think that we would see oil in the 40s for quite some time, but here we are, and there's not much else we can do. Me and my whopping 500 bucks. Killing it, bro. Killing it. So, taking a look at the charts for oil here. Let's pull up the 1 year chart. So, huge drop in oil, but I do think we're going to see some support here in the 40s. I don't know if you guys are oil investors or if you like some oil companies, but there's a lot of stuff for sale right now, especially in Canada. So, anyways, guys, for all my subscribers that are watching, that tune in all the time, I want to thank you guys. And I wanted to say that I'm leaving on Sunday for vacation, but last night I was up till 4 a.m. pre-recording a 5-part series. So we're going to be dropping an episode every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when I'm on vacation, along with actually shooting and recording and going live when I'm on vacation. I really appreciate that. Hell's Promise Studios. I know the way to major cannabis legalization in the U.S. I really appreciate your donation. Thank you so much for supporting me. And yeah, that's awesome, man. $5, I appreciate it. That's huge. Like, every little bit helps. So I really appreciate anybody who supports me. Really sincerely appreciate it. I can buy almost one more Aurora share. So back to what I was saying, guys. Yeah, so I've pre-recorded a 5-part series. We're going to cover 5 different topics. So we're going to be doing gold and silver. We're going to be doing oil, cannabis, tech, and some utility defensive stocks. So tune in next week. I'll probably drop it early morning, so maybe around 11 o'clock every day for 5 days, Monday to Friday. And on top of that, I'm going to do a couple more pre-recordings, and I'm going to go live when I'm on vacay, and I'm also going to shoot my market minute, so we won't miss an episode. Now let me get back to these comments, guys. I'm watching very volatile Forex for oil prices, and the cannabis is taking too. No, man, no vacation. Oil will be 20 soon. It's a possibility if we see a big market crash, I feel like. But oil to 20, the Fed is going to have to lower rates. I'm investing in a company called NEL. Invested in 2016, and I got 1.8 NO, and at 1.8 NOK. Currently at 4.6. They've made 700K to date. Wow, have made 700K to date, hoping to hold into the future. That's a pretty interesting one, NTB. So we're going to take a look. NEL. Which exchange is it traded on, though? Oslo. I'm going to assume it's the Oslo one, because you're in Norway, right? Yep, that's the company. Hit me up for deets. Okay, sounds good. Hell Promise Studios. Feel free to send me an email to contact@departurescapital.com. William, almost won Aurora share. The boy, a. I love Bubba Kush cannabis oil. Have fun on your vacay, bro. I will. It's much needed, but I'm not going to just sit on the beach all day. I'm definitely going to keep the channel going. We'll bring you guys some awesome views. I'll go live. We'll shoot some cool videos, and we'll keep Departures Capital alive. Cannabis is the way to stabilize the U.S. economy. By the way, 700 is NOK. I'm not some big dollar investor. Hey man, that's still a pretty good return. So 700,000 NOK is still a nice chunk of change. Don't get me wrong. So let's just take a quick look at this company that was brought to our attention by NTB. Okay, guys. So NEL ASA, formerly Diagenic ASA, is a Norway-based company that is engaged in the renewable energy equipment and services sector. The company delivers solutions to produce, store, and distribute hydrogen from renewable energy and gas companies with hydrogen technology. The company's hydrogen solutions cover the entire value chain for hydrogen production technologies to manufacturing of hydrogen fueling stations, providing fuel cell electric vehicles with the same fueling and long range as conventional vehicles. Wow, very interesting company. Thanks for bringing that to my attention. I love to see these little gems, and the chart looks pretty nice too. That's a solid chart right there. 5-year chart. Oh my goodness. What happened though? Company's been around since 2014. Alright guys, so let's get back to the comments. The DAB charts. TKO DAB charts. Any return is an up. Fire. What's going on with Aphria today? Aren't they still going through acquisitions? Acquisitions? What do you think about Aphria? What's your price target? Do you think we will see a rebuttal? I don't know, guys. This has definitely diverted some of that negative outlook on the stock to somewhat positivity as companies are looking to buy it. This could just be a plot to like boost up the stock price at the same time. I'm not 100% sure, but I mean, I'll take any positive when it comes to Aphria, just as we do hold the stock. Not too much of the stock, maybe like $5,000 of the stock, but it's just, we doubled our money on Aphria and sold half at 21. So for me, Aphria, I just hope that, you know, it holds up. A lot of these cannabis companies now, for me, is just a long-term hold. That's why I'm holding Aurora, and we're okay with holding Aurora for the next 5 to 10 years, whatever. I don't really care. I just want to see Aurora grow into a big company within the sector and cement itself. If we need to go through some dilution and they got to do whatever they got to do to buy up every company, it's all right with me as long as the stock's higher than it is now in 3 to 5 years, preferably $20 or more. We'll see. Okay, let's take a look at some more of these comments. Sell. Lithium at 37 cents. It was at $7.90 in 2016. Holy smokes. Drone up 143%. Aphria is sketchy. That is true. Can be. Sometimes. I'm putting 50,000 in lithium and vanadium and cobalt, all products used in electric car batteries. I bought my Baba during the dips. That's a good one to take a look at. Let's recap a couple different sectors, guys. Let's see here. See if you guys are sharing any more articles. Elon Musk. Holding. How about Baytex? I want to get into oil, but can't seem to find a bottom. Baytex is super duper on sale right now, man. Let's take a look at Baytex Energy. So we're going to take a look at Baytex Energy. This is definitely a pure play on crude. If crude decides to bounce, I feel like Baytex is easily going to double. It's really tough to say. Baytex at $2. My goodness. Okay. You guys want a market recap, or you want to take a look at some individual stocks? Let me know. You're not hyped. Where's my naughty buttons, guys? Sorry, one sec. I'll be right back. Gotta go get my naughty buttons. We got 3 buttons. There we go. Naughty. All right. Anybody new to the stream, hit that like button. We're at 28 likes, so that's much better. I love how I still have 10 dislikes. Guys just came out of the woods straight hating today. Thank you. Oil will be phased out in 10 to 20 years. Big companies aren't into spending billions of dollars to drill or shale oil. Oil is on the way out. Electric cars will be the main vehicle. It's a possibility. WeedMD has signed up with OCS, Shoppers Drug Mart, and has 600,000 square feet under one roof. Can you try to find out something about this company? Well, you pretty much just told me all the good stuff. So we can take a look at the chart. It's up 8.3% today. Yeah, the stock's definitely at a low. Not at a 52-week low, though. The 52-week range is 99 cents to 325. We're pretty close to our 52-week low. And I could see the stock falling into the 83 cents as the market continues to decline. That's my take on WeedMD. Just basing it on the charts. $114 million market cap. The stock's on sale. And yeah, do you own the stock? Elon Musk wants to turn GM plants in Canada to electric car plants. Oil will be produced for the next 50 years. There's way too much money to make there, and the third world countries are always going to need it, including America. Yeah, I gotta agree. Sorry, Max, I gotta agree with NTB. I do think oil is here to stay, at least for the next like 3 to 5 decades. Third world countries just can't go to oil, and Africa's gonna go through a boom. Just my opinion. Southeast Asia, Africa, and India is gonna continue to boom, and there's no way, unless they make some kind of technology that is very cheap for electric cars, I feel that oil's here to stay. We'll see a couple more bull markets within the oil markets before oil leaves. There's just too much stuff that is ran by oil. E-commerce, 3.8 million shares locked. E-commerce site coming out before New Year. USMJ. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I'm going to stream for another little while, not too long today. We've been going for 25 minutes so far. So I must, Ryan, you can't hit that dislike button. We got 11 dislikes now. I'm disappointed. What price would you buy Baytex at? Just curious. We hold Baytex at $3. And I would buy it again at $2. $2, $3, $2. I'd buy incrementally. And also, if oil goes down, I'll lose my job. So fingers crossed on some war in the Saudis. What do you think about Sears? I think Sears is donezo, unfortunately. Hit that like button, subscribe. DG slots, yes, buddy, I agree. I would never. Sears smells like mothballs. You guys are hilarious. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some recaps just to take a look at a couple different sectors. Oh no, sorry, we gotta take a look at gold. Gold's in the green again. Gold's been on a tear recently, guys. Look at this 6-month chart for gold. We ran from 1200 all the way to 1280. I think we're on our way to 1300 for gold. Gold's looking strong right now. So are a lot of the miners. A lot of the miners are looking strong right now. Silver, also doing good. Recently been outperforming gold. We're up to 1537 right now. Silver's still so cheap, guys. So cheap. We could see another bull market for precious metals. So now we're going to take a look at some miners, and I will be dropping those 5 videos next week, so tune in. We're covering a ton of different stocks, a ton of different sectors. Acreage Holdings up 26%. Pure Global up 23%. T-God rising 16%. Aphria at 841 up 11%. CanTrust. I like CanTrust and Hexo at these levels also. Thanks, Ryan. I appreciate it. I guess you guys watched my last video where I said likes or dislikes. I appreciate the engagement. I know, right? Since when did I have 11 haters? That means 25% of you guys don't like my 20% of you guys don't like my stream. Yeah, it's a pretty long list I've put together of a bunch of different cannabis companies. I like Hexo at these levels. What else do we got? Oxley. Oxley's been doing much better now. Emblem was bought by Aleafia Health. I feel so bad about Emblem Corp because when I went on Midas Letter, the CEO of Emblem Corp was just the interview before me, and I didn't even know or hear of the company before I went. But now I follow the stock. Amazon would be competing with mothballs and Walmart. Oh yeah, oils are here forever till it hits $10 a barrel. You watch, they're going to flood the world with oil. USA the biggest producer right now. That's true, Max. The USA is the biggest producer. We're going to take a look at a couple more sectors and wrap this stream up, guys. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. So the next sector we're going to take a look at are the tech stocks. If this ever decides to load. We're We're seeing Amazon, Alibaba, and Apple in the green, and we're seeing Weibo lead the slide down with Tencent, JD.com, Facebook pretty much flat, Netflix and Google pretty much flat. So Amazon is picking up, trying to break back above 1,500 bucks a share. Now let's take a look at some oil and gas stocks. We're seeing green in the oil and gas sector. Baytex Energy leading the show. AltaGas up 6%. Athabasca Oil up 4-point-something%. Crescent Point. So Canadian oil producers are catching a break today. Even Enbridge is up. BP, Royal Dutch Shell, Chevron, and ExxonMobil are down. Playing it safe with Cannabis and ACB. Would you take a position in Aphria? I'm putting out a video soon on Aphria. What I think about Aphria at the current levels. I think we could see some more pain to come in terms of the market if it decides to get more volatile. It's a hold for me. We don't own any Aphria, by the way. And if I was buying, I would have extra cash available because I feel like the stock could drop still. But it's definitely sold off substantially. So if you're looking to take a position, I would buy 3 times. Maybe buy now, buy in a couple months, and buy in a couple months from there. But once again, I'm not telling you to buy the stock, not giving financial advice. How is your portfolio up? Mine is heating up. Good thing you have a disclaimer because you are liable to what you say. Yeah, George, it's true, but in every single video, I say that Departures Capital is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy a stock because you heard it on here, heard it from me. Buy a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making that personal investment decision for yourself. And every single one of my videos also has a disclaimer. So you guys can go right down there and read it. Education and information, don't listen to me. I just offer ideas. But yep, no problem. That's what I'm here for. Don't worry, guys. Legally, I'm covered. I do not give financial advice. Lawsuit incoming, Departures Capital. Good one. Talk to my lawyer. US MJ stocks. MPX, Canopy, and Tilray are up. Kronos, and Bev, Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis is now down 2%, and IGC is just tanking hard. Take a look at a couple more sectors, specifically utility companies. We're seeing more green for the utility sector. ATCO, Algonquin Power, Duke Energy, Canadian Utilities. Last sector we're taking a look at is precious metal miners. We're seeing a pullback in the miners today. Barrick, First Majestic, and Fortuna down today. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll be shooting my market minute video in about 2.5 hours. So that's pretty much it, guys. Any other questions that you have before I head out? JD.com is my baby. JD.com is a very interesting stock. Has your lawyer got a fat rack? No comment. Namaste is still struggling. Came at the end. Say word. Okay, we'll stay for a couple more minutes, Lucas. Just close some of these tabs. Jeez. Cause she could get you out of anything with. Nice one. Hit that naughty button. There you go, buddy. Naughty button for all the haters. Thanks for those likes, guys. We're almost at 40. Who wants to be the 40th like? That's funny. Like his channel. Like his channel. No problem. So what's your opinion on PSIQ? Let's see. PSIQ. This is the last company we're taking a look at today, guys. My marijuana ETF gave me some dividends yesterday. They deal with marijuana. All right. Wow. That's an interesting chart, Doug. The stock's definitely up, $270 million market cap. What exactly did they do, though? Develops, manufactures, and sells security-based identification products and systems. That's pretty cool. Definitely an industry that's gonna do well. I would be a little cautious buying at those prices, but who knows? The stock could continue to run. I like the idea of the company. I'll definitely be keeping my eye on that one. Thanks a lot. So guys, anyways, thank you for the likes. We're at 44 likes. I appreciate that. Shout out to my 11 haters. And we're going to end this stream in about 1 minute. So anything extra that you guys wanted to say or comment, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to be heading out, getting ready for a few more videos. Cannabis should buy Aurora. Hit the like button, not dislike, just because our portfolios stink. That's right, Carla. Oh, hey. I'm about to listen to your voice messages in 2 seconds because I'm going to end this live stream. Haters want to say anything. The malicious intent of these haters. Bad. Ways to improve. Improve what? Why does everybody start joining when I'm about to leave? Did you guys make your tax losses yesterday? Jeez. Hell Promise Studio is coming in with those questionable comments. GE is a buy. I agree. GE is going to do hopefully well in 2019. Alright, PSP. You're out, I'm out. You're out, I'm out. So, guys, 30 seconds and I'm out. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be doing more live streams. I appreciate it, guys. Saniva. 60 people now. Why is everybody joining when I'm about to leave? I feel it. Okay. This is funny. Everybody starts to join when I'm about to leave. Bro, what happened? Yeah, he's 1 more hour. I need some water. Why is everybody joining now? I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, you know, I was just about to go. Now it's like everybody's joining. Hit that like button for anybody new to the stream. Minus that dislike button. Okay, fine. We'll give you guys 5 more minutes. It is lunchtime. What other news do I have for you guys? Holiday slugs, me included. See, you need water. This is true. This is true. Okay, guys. Well, we can take a look at a couple more things. Let's take a look at a different portfolio here. All right, what do we got? Not weed stocks. Cryptocurrency. U.S. banks. Let's take a look at some U.S. banks.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
U.S. banks are in the green today. What a surprise. REITs. Oh, I've only got one REIT in there, Northwest Healthcare. Oh, here we go. Let's see if these stocks turned out to be hot. So we got Tesla, Canopy, China Telecom. Banks and their centralized systems. What's up, Tristan? If you're new to the stream. 50 likes, guys. Wow, thank you. That's awesome. What's up with MRMD? I just joined. MRMD Maramed. Not too sure. I cleaned up on VTVT. Maramed's up today. Emerald Health doing well. 52 likes.
Naughty, naughty,
I keep hitting
naughty.
that button. If we get to 70 people, I'll stay for another 5 minutes. But it's not looking like it's going to happen, guys, unless everybody hits that like button at the same time. If not, I'm going in 2 minutes. I'm sorry. Oh, shoot. Currently trading at 311. Looks like we might see another run for Maramed. German banks about to hit a big hurt. Just stopped in to wish you all a happy new year and hope you make huge dollars. Yeah, I guess so. That's probably, we got a couple people coming from Rich's stream to my stream. I texted him asking if he wanted to stream. Hold on. But I didn't get a reply yet. Playing 21 Savage now. Let's see. Oh, he didn't reply yet. That's all good. Shout out. Liking your vids. Keep going. Thank you, Tristan. Appreciate it. We will keep going. So anyways, guys, I'm going to say this one more time and then I'm going to head out. Unless there's 100 people in the room, and then I'm going to stay. But it probably won't happen. So I've recorded a 5-part series. It's dropping next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 different topics. It's going to drop around 11 a.m. in the morning. So feel free to check it out. I'm going to be on vacation. I am going to still be shooting. But I pre-recorded those 5 videos for you guys just to have some additional content and a little bit more consistency. So, what's up, Laura? I've been trying to go for the last 5 minutes. Hottest rap mixtape dropping 11 a.m. in the morning. Money is the wet. Good work. Peace out. Way. I stumbled on your videos. Who are you? Who am I? Who are you? I'm just kidding. Bunny, who am I? You should ask. I should be asking you that. I'm Aaron from Departures Capital. I say it in every single video. Man, VTVD is running. Sweet. Yeah, hopefully I'll enjoy the vacation, and I'm looking forward to shooting a bunch of different stuff with the cool views. The thing goes grass. Frankie Sorrento, ACB. Thank you to my supporters. Yeah, I try to keep you guys up to date on the markets as possible. It's so funny how Departures Capital started. I thought I was going to be making 1 minute long videos about the stock market every day. 1 minute turned into 10 minutes, turned into sometimes 15 minutes. Do you think it will rise short term? Ballin' on a budget. Who's ballin' on a budget? Naughty. I should start selling naughty buttons. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, guys, I'm heading out soon. I always say this. It takes me like 6 tries to leave. But I'm actually going to leave now. So, like I said, that 5-part series, oh my God. I don't know what's going on with Namaste. We still hold Namaste, and we're not too sure. Any info, we'll definitely let you guys know. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday, guys. Thank you for tuning into my stream. You guys kill me when you tell me not to go. No, you hang up first. Don't go. Alright, bro. All the best. Enjoy New Year's, everyone. Bunny, if you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And let me ask you who you are. Is the market open New Year's Eve? Yes, it is. LOL, hang up first. Happy New Year. Okay, bye, Aaron. Talk soon. Have a great vacation. Lost girl. Bye. Are you really lost? I'm just kidding. Alright, seriously. I'm out. Like, I'm out. That's all I gotta say, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.